My name is Ken from St. Martin's, and this is how I work the Google Slides. So we open this link that we have, and we will click on this repository. So here we see tons of slides and games, pictures, videos. So let's just click on the most recent slides. So right here, you do not double click this. The reason why is it will remove all the formatting. So let's just click download. And once that appears, it can either appear in your downloads folder or it will appear in this arrow right here. So pick whichever one you want. So let's click on this. All right, so now we're in PowerPoint. And to present, you click right here, presentation with slides, and you click either one, or you can press F5. So I'd like to intro myself, who I am, love to dance, love to fight, right, doing kickboxing. And then I have some slides about prayer. Now, this is a fun one. I include these in all my slides throughout the year. And I'd like to ask my students to do a dramatic drum roll. In this case, we pick my student, Kaylin. So after prayer, we introduce who we are, the staff. So I like to play this fun game where the students have to guess who this person is as the puzzle moves further along. So in this case, we all know it's David, right? Our ex-seminarian. We also have Barbara as well, who's our assistant faith for formation. So I press escape, which is on your top left-hand side to exit out. And then I have some other fun games I like to play, like these icebreakers. So typically I ask the students to stand up and to either run to the right or left side of the classroom. So a fun one is, do they want all the money in the world? Run to the right side of the classroom. If they want all the friends in the world, run to the left side of the classroom. So these are usually fun, and a lot of the students are very interactive, especially when you get them to stand up and move. This game is just to test their memory again. So let's just say I click Sister Yalitza. Great. Let's match it with another red. So I'm wrong, so I have to close all of these. And then click again, Sister Yalitza, Sister Maria Berlin. Perfect. It matches. So I can do this for a few other ones. In this case, studying to be a priest is a seminarian. So if you're trying to edit the slides, you have to double click and change the text yourself. So feel free to edit as needed. And if you have any questions, please ping me. Thank you very much. God bless.